Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze or hide your real location on Snapchat. This is useful if you don't want people to see where you are on Snap Map. So, let's begin. First thing you need to know, Snapchat doesn't have a button called Freeze Location directly. What we actually do is either turn on Ghost Mode, or we stop Snapchat from updating your GPS by denying location access. Both methods freeze your last known location. Method 1. Using Ghost Mode. Open Snapchat, tap your profile, tap the Snap Map preview that's small under your profile card. The map will open. On the top of the screen, you'll see the ghost icon. Tap it. Now tap Ghost Mode and choose how long. 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. When Ghost Mode is on, your location stops updating for others. This is basically freezing your map. Method 2. Stop Snapchat location permission. Go to your phone settings, scroll to Apps, open Snapchat, tap Permissions, tap Location, choose Denied or Don't Allow. Now reopen Snapchat. Since Snapchat can't read your location anymore, it keeps showing your last old location on the map. That means your map won't move with your movement, it becomes frozen. Some people combine both. Turn on Ghost Mode plus remove location permission. That gives the strongest privacy effect. Also, make sure Snap Map is not set to everyone. Go to Snap Map settings and choose Only Me or My Friends You Trust. So in summary, turn on Ghost Mode from Snap Map or turn off Snapchat location permission from phone settings. This prevents Snapchat from updating your movement in real time. And that's how to freeze your location on Snapchat.